Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the automatic screen rotation on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. In order to turn on and off this feature, what you need to do is open the notifications. Now in the notifications panel you should be able to find this icon over here with the rotation with two arrows. You can press on it in order to lock this screen in the current state of rotation. So right now if I try to rotate the screen, as you can see, nothing happens. But if I turn this on, then of course I can rotate this screen to the portrait mode, for instance, and now I can use it like that. And if I lock this screen in that position, so let me turn it off, then right now I cannot change it back to the horizontal view. So this is the way to lock the screen in a specific way. In addition to that, if you open notifications, of course, you can unfold the options button in order to open the control center or quick access. And over there, you should be able to also find the auto rotate option. You can enable and disable it like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.